Hey everyone, just making a quick video here. I hit 100 subscribers today. So I just wanted to say thank you. I didn't do this to be a YouTuber. I'm not a YouTuber. 100 subscribers is nothing, but it means a lot to me. I originally started this channel to give you information on this unique bike. The reason why I thought it was a unique bike is I had never heard of this brand before. And I know that this bike is a little bit rare. There wasn't a lot of users in the United States. And I figured I would help people out that were interested in this to see if it was maybe a good fit for them, or if not, maybe something else that they can learn through my experiences of trying to get this bike to work for me. This is my first e-bike, so I didn't know what to expect. I went all out on my first, but this has been a great adventure. And somehow you guys like watching the videos. Some of the videos I have have over 9,000 views, which is insane to me. But again, thank you. There's more to come. I'm doing this as a hobby. I like sharing the information that I'm learning, but also the editing and recording is unique. I'm really learning as I go along. Again, thank you guys so much. I'll keep making videos. If you guys want to see something special, let me know. Or if there's a question I can answer for you, I'll answer the question. But I have a lot more things that are cool too that I want to bring to everyone. I love to cook. I have some pretty cool backyard equipment. So when the weather gets nicer, I'll show you guys what's back there. And yeah, so more to come. But again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care.